The tree sacred root, the origin of billions of years ago, but it is very important to other living creatures, especially it is a keto species. Number of birds and microorganisms depend on this plant. This plant is the home and motherland of other creatures, birds, microorganisms. So that plant is ketone species. That plant name is ficus racemosa, the tree of life. Number of religions originate from this plant, especially Buddhism is originated behind the thinking of this plant and the shadow. So the plant ficus racemosa is a keto species, especially birds are dependent these plant fruits, especially this ficus fruits are very nutrition values and also medicinal values. We are looking into medicinal values. The plants containing a differ from the other plant phytochemicals. It is very special phytochemicals, and especially the sterols are found in these plants. Ficus racemosa is belongs to Moraceae family member, and flowers originate from the calciculare, means flowers inflorescence origin from the main stem. So it is very important to other than so the plants the ficus fruit is originated from a special inflorescence is called hypanthodium. The hypanthodium flower containing different of flowers. So it is originated and developed from the many years. We have seen this plant fruits, wonderful, beautiful fruits originate from the main stems. Such a beautiful, have a number of nutritions, nourishment to other plants. Please subscribe more.